Placed before the court a massive document today of investigation suggesting that Hadiya's husband has terror links. But it's important to understand here that it is not against the law to be married to someone, irrespective of whether or not that person is a criminal, is it?
Yeah, because once you're an adult and you're of the eligible age, the law itself allows you to choose your life partner. You may make a wrong choice, you may make a right choice. That's your peril.
Yes.
But the law allows you. And in fact, having grown up in today's times and having worked in a profession where you have people of all faiths, I mean, I rub my shoulders with Waris, I rub my shoulders with maybe some Eknath Shinde, all communities and castes. I mean, at that stage, there is a chance lawyers would meet people of different faith and they could get hooked on and they can get hooked on. In school, colleges, offices. So you have that kind of a modernization happening on one hand. Secondly, I don't think every parent can be classified generally as a well-wisher, because I'm seeing so much litigation happening between parents and their children. So I don't think parents are, once you're an adult.
So you're saying it's not a blanket statement?
Obviously not. I think once you're an adult, you have the right to choose what is good for you, what is bad. Yes, parents definitely are a guiding factor. But they cannot choose how you're going to go about your life. It's your decision. You may take their advice whenever needed. They're always there for you. But it's not necessary that in each and every case the advice is right. So ultimately you have to use your own brains. And here this girl, I don't want to say much on this case because the matter is sub judice before the highest court of the land.
Yes.
The honorable judges have met her personally. She has addressed the court.
Yes.
And I really appreciate the fact that the judges have allowed her to address. You also see that happening in cases where, I mean, I'm talking about minors over here.
Yes.
Just an example, where in a custodial case, the judges personally talk to the children.
Yes.
So here, I won't say she is a child, but she is an adult person, she is educated. Judges wanted to know on their own. And I think that's a very healthy thing that the Honorable Apex Court did. But generalizing and making sweeping observations without concrete evidence. And I'll tell you one more thing. More and more of inter-caste, that is within the faith, inter-caste, inter-community marriages, if they're happening out of the own choice,
yes,
then it's a very healthy thing for our country. At this stage, I think it's a unification process that would be, because if two educated people decide at their own peril, again I'm saying that it may happen that her husband may have other issues. That is possibly if she knew about all those issues, and despite that maybe he had a criminal case against him, X, Y, Z, she still decided. Look at it this way, Charles Sobrach behind bars got married to... yes, so I mean...
and there's no law against that.
There's absolutely no law. No one can force a person not to get married to an ex-person. It's his choice, as I said. And it's like anything that you do in life, if the freedoms are guaranteed, they can't be taken away.